Upside down, sideways.
Sideways, I think.
Good. Fucking hell. I'm in the mud already. Jesus. That's my feet fucking covered in mud already, man. Good start. Just checking to see if the boat isn't afloat at the wall. We're just about getting ready now.
Get the details on that.
Well, bramble job. You shove the bastards. What are we? Well away. Pair of fannies. Pair of fannies have gone. Floating down the river.
Okay, you timed it, didn't you? Yeah, your gadgets running.
You can relax now.
You got your gadgets running.
Alright. We're away, we're away, we're away, we're away, away. I'll just keep adjusting now and again. We're moving quite the speed. Right, let's back on again. It's free to swear. I don't want to be nice. It's clever to swear. I don't want to be nice. I think it's clever to swear. Fuck's sake. Hold on. Clues in there. I don't know if I fancy flying in there somehow. Wouldn't it be fine flying in there? You go deep. Pichu, pichu. It's a bit of wind there now. It's blowing us down. Quite deep, probably 10 feet, I wouldn't be surprised. 8 feet. We're fairly moving. 5 or 7 miles an hour here now. Breeze is going through the trees. Mighty Mississippi. Oh, I suppose we might be stopping for lunch soon. Yeah. Is it? Soon be the Shark and Bridger. Shark and Brigger. Shark and Briggy. Oh, that's low. Jesus. You almost catch a heat in it. Power lines. Oh, telephone, one of the two. I fancy getting strangled with that. Where are we? Where are we?
No, we're too late. No our choice anymore. I was going to go left there, but we're going right.
Okay. 6.5 a dozen. Size of that house. Probably. Fucking speeding. I need a mirror. A rear view mirror. Oh. Coming up the Shark and Briggy already. shark in Briggy already. I fancy one of the wires going in my eye. Speed we're going at is unbelievable. It's a big wire hanging down there. So we're going to go into it. It's a rope. It's the shark in Briggy used to walk over it. The sharker. Next thing you know, you'll be at the golf place. Peter, what is that? Lorry, Paul Lorry, golf place. And then the Lagoon, and then Brigadier, and then before you know it, you're there.
We've got more waterworks here too. Before the spot in the snow.
Aye. Well, we're rocky, but I'm seasick. That's the stroke area. Well, I think I couldn't think of better things to do in a couple of hours. We've only been half an hour with Jack and Briggy already. No, I'm getting closer there. Past the shark. We've landed.
Grab the pint and haul it in. Haul it out. We've even got a beach.
Alright.
Another beach.
Dry land at last. That's okay. We'll see if we can get a seat somewhere.
Oh,
There's no boulders.
that's where I regret letting that cooking do. You can use your cushion.
Aye. Good idea. Cushion's hiding up on us. Hiding up fine. We're for lunch now. Solid.
Sit on this little stuff here.
It's not even an hour, man. It's only 10 past 2. 7 minutes past 2. We'll have to be 20 to half past 1.
Well, I'm already thinking
Half an hour.
of maybe in the next couple of days putting in at Bunkery.
That's not just half an hour, is it? Did I say 20 past? Was it half past 12? Yeah, we're across from Mary Cooter Church. The river's flowing real fast. So we've had our lunch. So we're to the final stretch, more or less here. We're just past the Shack in Briggy and Mary Cooter Church there. I'm on the back. I'm going on the back. Put my cushion in. Will I just get in? Oh, Ian, hard up.
It's in an eddy.
Gonna see a fucking thing.
It's in an eddy.
Eddie Fisher. I fucked. You gonna leave it? Might float out. It's stuck here forever now.
I'll let you get it.
It's real deep, like. I'm going to far. Fuck all this thing on now. Oh, but I don't really this run for us. It's fucking deep, man. Summit. I'm going far. It's a side there, but that's okay. That's all right. All right. Same here. I jump in and push and jump. It's like a graceful gazelle, like that. Can we deal with that? Wait. Oh, that's the back. That's the back. Oh, that's got affected. The wheel.
The lagoon is totally submerged.
Is it? Aye.
The lagoon is there. One tree showing the end of the pier.
Yes. Huh. Regret. Aye. Yeah.
That's for an engineering text.
Cracking. A cracking time was had by all. Underneath the arches. Leg up terrace. We'll soon begin under the old brigade. We better get into position. Better get into position, laddie. You don't want to go getting all mixed up what you're doing. Underneath the arches, number 1. We'll go for number 1 today. We'll be past the Duffy Park before you know. Underneath the arches, Richard's Mills. Oh yeah, we're in a long island. That helps. You want to go backwards or forwards? We're going to crash into the bastard, I'll tell you. We're going to crash into it, laddie. Oh, fuck. What have we got here? Oh, that wasn't a good idea, this.
You're driving.
It looks like second. Bastards. Yeah. Whatever.
You're driving.
Pair of fannies. My wife is thinking, pair of fannies. It's a pair of fannies that you look at him. The hell they wear you idea for? Too old for that sort of carry on. Pair of pinchers, look at him. Bloody feels. Different story when we were at the Tory Bar. Different story when we were at the Tory Bar. You better take over fucking driving when we go under here, Ian. I think you better change positions. You want to take us back?
Yeah, right. The boat hardly kens what's front and back.
True. You could turn round, could you?
Aye.
I can lean against your back. Right, we've another arches coming up. Near right away. Soon. Okay. Where are we? That's alright. We're through, we're through. There's a cry. Hello! 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 George VI Bridge passed without incident. Now, Railway Bridge. Soon. How are we doing?
Good.
That's the railway bridge coming up. We're passing under number 3 or 2, one of them, I don't know what. It's not ideal, this neck thing. It's not ideal. Jesus. Perfect. Railway bridge. Hello. Hello. Bastard. Oh, Strat. You bought a Strat, net alley.
It's a Strat, aye. When I finished setting it up, I got bored.
Chain bridge. We'll go through the bottom arch. Left hand arch. It's closer than you think, you see. Right, you going? I'll pull like fuck now, will I? Oh. Oh. Yeah, in here. Yeah. Yes. Okay, okay. All right. Good show. Harder gun. Right, that's that. Didn't we do well? Yeah. 3 o'clock. Didn't take us long. Okay. Hiya. No. Ah, 'cause we don't need to totally deflate. It's a dragon or something.
Eh?
It's no dragon, no.
Well, it is, but it's just dragging on the grass. When we get to the concrete, I'll pull back a bit.
Oh, and the brass fan doing. Just wait. Just start out your back in. Eh?
Look at this, this will be here. I've got the... I've got a bit of it here now.
That's alright. Oh yeah. Right, I'll get car up. It's a one way in it. I'll go right round.
So you can reverse or you can go round.
Well, we'll reverse. Run and hit that bus. Open this. See about that? Excellent. It's very small when you see it like this.
Should have rolled it up in there.
This is back now, getting getting Ian's car back where we started off. Thanks for watching anyway. Okie dokie, and I will catch you in the next one. Thank you.